This video will show you how to download, install, and activate the 2019 Graitec Powerpack for Advanced Steel 2019. When on the Graitec website, you must sign into your Advantage account to access Graitec products. Put in your credentials and select Sign In. Now I'm in my Advantage account. It seems to be French, so let's just fix that. I'm looking for, let's try English US. There we go. Just wait for it, and that's the correct language. So I'm going to navigate to the Downloads tab and select the Download Releases, which brings you to the Download Releases page. So from here, you can select your product. We're interested in the Powerpack for Advanced Steel and the version 2019. Select Download and the installation process begins. I'm just switching to my desktop and I'm going to install products, and I'm going to do a custom setup. So I believe I want Graitec Advanced Bin Design, Graitec Advanced Powerpack for Advanced Steel 2019, and also the bolt. You'll hit Next and accept the license contract. And you can choose your language, or you can choose where you want the software installed. I'm just going to jump ahead for the install to be complete. And once that's complete, you're going to start Advanced Steel 2019. So you can see the installation is complete. I'm just going to exit out of there and bring Advanced Steel 2019 over from my other screen, or other monitor, and restart Advanced. Once Advanced Steel is launched, you're going to see the Graitec Powerpack tab. Now, for those of you who don't see it the first time, it's not a problem. Just restart Advanced Steel. That's what I did. So I'm going to select the Graitec Powerpack tab, and from there I'm going to scroll to the About Powerpack. I'm going to expand the tab and go to the License Utility. And this is where you're going to put in your codes you received from Graitec. Follow the prompt, put in your serial number and activation code, and then you'll be ready to use Graitec Powerpack for Advanced Steel 2019.